It was a coincidence that we just installed the system only a few days before the riots happened, and we installed the CCTV alarm and fog protection system. And during the riots, I think that was a Monday night, which was the night where it sprang all over London. A group of about 14 boys have basically opened the shutters of Bhagwanji Rams Sons jewelers, broke two entry doors, and with the intention of obviously looting and destroying the property and committing theft. But very within seconds from fog activation, you could see them. Actually, we've got the CCTV image of the incident. You could see them fleeing the scene, and then from there they went to a jeweler across the road and they attacked that place. And this shop is now also interested in putting a fog protection system in as well.